Alright, let's think. How are we going to do this? I'll take another corner. Start up. I'm going to take this. Smack right off the mask. Well, he got me all right. Right the mask in the hand. Like the mask. Sneak behind you here. Again. Sorry about that. Splattered here. Oh, arm shot. What? Oh yeah, that's painful. Yeah, I got shot in the mouth. CJ keeps shooting in the mouth. I don't know why. I don't know. The vents on the mask are not the greatest. They use that thing through, but it's supposed to let you breathe. But that's an advantage and a disadvantage. So you don't know what time you're coming on November 1st? You said, I know CJ and Nick said you're coming on November 1st with a bunch of family members. So. You haven't decided the time yet?
I have no idea. My daughter set it up.
Oh, okay. Well, she booked with a Nick? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll join the group that day for sure when I'm at, because I might be out, so. How many people are going exactly? Like 20, 30?
I don't know.
Huh?
I'm not exactly sure.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I'll join anyway. That's okay with you? Cool.
Going all the time.
Sorry?
Going all the time.
Oh yeah. What's growing? Like the fan? Like. Oh. Okay.
But you never know. You never know who's gonna bounce it.
Yeah, I know. Tried to get two of my friends to join me here, but they backed out every time. I was like, what's going on? Free for all is not my cup of tea. No, I'm not leaving it there. Well, like I like to have a team with me, so. Yeah, it's snotty.
There's like bachelor party there, then up me and him, I guess like 12.
You and him against 12 people?
Yeah. And then we can get hit as many times as we want, go till it hurts, basically.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
He quit.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm behind a barrel going this way and that way, this way and that way. Once he quit,
Yeah.
smash the side of the head.
You kept shooting at you?
That was like,
oh, yeah, that's crazy.
After him,
yep.
shooting at me.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, a few months ago I was playing here with the father and his son. It was them against me. So I got a son up with the father sniped right in the head before I got this little helmet. So, because I had to put my GoPro on a head mount, but I didn't have the helmet, so I had to buy this little thing. Yeah. The refinery, right? Yeah, I remember that. It was a refinery, I remember that.
I got right over top of you, my son got right over top of you, they're running.
Oh, that does not feel good.
It knocked me down.
Well, you fell down?
Well, it knocked me down.
Oh, that's painful. Yeah, because one of my, when I was my first time here, one of my neighbor's friends, my teammates and I, we were hiding, and we kind of got discovered, so he turned around and shot him right in the hand. He started bleeding out. He bled. Because it was pretty close, like a knuckle shot. So.
That 11-year-old birthday party there.
Yeah.
The 11-year-old is his father's place that had the paintball set up.
Okay.
He had a brand new gun and all the rest.
Okay.
My gun, he shot me out of my barrel, so my fucking paint's going like this, and he's just walking at me. They're bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, that's true.
Swollen up so
yeah, that's right. Getting shot in the hand is no joke.
just hand them off the knuckle.
Yeah, getting shot is no joke.
That basically where you are, it's like, oh, that's it.
Yep.
I'm just watching my paint just drop on the ground because that paint is at my barrel.
Yeah, that's right. Paint, yeah, it happens when you get water in your barrel too. It's the same thing because paint is also water soluble, so that will cause your.
I wasn't giving up though, but.
That's right. That's good.
11-year-old beat me.
Yeah, I get beaten by kids too sometimes. So.
Yeah, we've been basically coming here there probably for.
Here? For how many years?
15 years.
15 years here? Oh goodness, that's a long time. I came here a lot last year, so.
My oldest boy's 27 now this month.
Oh, really? Okay. So CJ's one of your younger sons?
He's young.
Okay, younger. Do you have how many kids again? Sorry? 3? Oh, CJ's younger. Oh.
My daughter's in school in Kingston.
Okay, nice. Oh. Oh, there you go.
I wasn't sure you could see him or not.
The thing is, he keeps jumping in. He keeps ducking in.
Yeah.
Nice.
Holy shit.
That's correct.
Need some paint?
What's that?
You need some paint?
Well, like 20 shots, that's good.
I literally get out all the time, so it's like.
No.
I'm hitting the gun. Some paint in the handles, some paint in the sides. This gun needs a good wash off. This gun needs a wash.
I'm still 3/4 full basically, so.
I got 2 full pods and a 2 hoppers, so.
You have the most paint, so 3v1 is up here.
Well, no, that's not what we're doing.
That's a really good idea. Him get 2 lives and 3v1.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
3 lives, 3v1.
What? Okay.
You wanna try it?
We could give it a try. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Well, I'm probably gonna get owned anyway. I'm probably shot like.
You pick where you want to start.
Alright, fair enough. I'll just start at the other end. Right here, guys. Is it a respawn? I don't know. It should be, right? If you have 3 lives, you can hit 3. Well, you get to respawn 3 times technically.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna hurry up. Guys, go to your side. I'm ready. Chris, I'm ready. Okay, I'm gonna run in and respawn. Quick respawn here. Okay, that's respawn number 2. That's last respawn. That's last. Oh, is that a bell? Yep, bell. Hit! That's the last respawn, that's it. Well, I already respawned twice, so I think that's pretty much it. I didn't even. It's a crazy one. Alright, this time we need a serious wipe down. I need a serious wipe down, Chris. Is there anything on my back here? No, well, actually, thank you. That's a serious one. Well, I technically spawned in twice, I think, but